Welcome students, let's start this lecture on probability. Let's learn few basic concepts and terminology to move forward. If you carry out an operation or experiment using coins, spinners or cards, then each toss, throw, spin or draw is called a trial. The possible things that can happen from a trial are called outcomes. The outcomes of interest are called an event. An event is the set of successful outcomes. Now let's understand the fundamental principle of counting. The first principle is, suppose one operation has m possible outcomes and that a second operation has n outcomes. The number of possible outcomes when performing the first operation followed by the second operation is m times n. The fundamental principle of counting can be extended to 3 or more operations. Now let's see an example. If a die is thrown and a coin is tossed, how many different outcomes possible? Write out all the possible outcomes. Now let's understand the solution. When a die is thrown, there are 6 possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. When the coin is tossed, there are 2 possible outcomes. Head or tail, H or T. Hence the number of different outcomes are 6 times 2, which equals to 12. Now let's write down all the possible outcomes. 1H, 2H, 3H, 4H, 5H and 6H. Similarly, 1T, 2T, 3T, 4T, 5T and 6T. Now let's understand the second fundamental principle of counting. Suppose one operation has m possible outcomes and that a second operation has n outcomes. The number of possible outcomes of first operation or second operation is given by m plus n. Here we assume that it is not possible for both operations to occur. Now let's understand this principle by example. A bag contains 9 discs, numbered from 1 to 9. A disc is drawn from the bag. If the number is even, then a coin is tossed. If the number is odd, then a die is thrown. How many outcomes possible? Let's look at the solution. When the coin is tossed, there are 2 possible outcomes. Head or tail, H or T. When a die is thrown, there are 6 possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Now the first experiment is, if you get an even number disc, toss a coin. Even number and toss a coin. Therefore, if you look at numbers from 1 to 9, there are 4 even numbers. 2, 4, 6 and 8. And when we toss a coin, there are 2 possibilities. Head or tail. Therefore, we perform 4 times 2. Similarly, in the second experiment, if we get an odd number disc, we throw a die. Now again, if you look at numbers from 1 to 9, there are 5 odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And when we throw a die, there are 6 possible outcomes. Therefore, we perform 5 times 6. According to the second principle of counting, we add outcomes from both of these operations. Therefore, the result equals to 38. And that's our answer.